Hey guys, Chris here, we're giving Busted Knuckle DIY, and today we're going to be working in the bathroom on a commode that's got some issues. Let's get wrenching. Oh hell, I can fix that. Honey, can you bring me a Band-Aid, please? Alright guys, our commode here, again, sometimes when you push this, it doesn't flush and you end up having to hold the flush lever all the way down. Let's see if it'll do it. Not today, apparently. But what's happened is, and that wasn't a full flush, take the cover off, get you over here. You can see how much water is still in there, so it's not flushing all the way. What's happening is that flapper, right down in there, is dropping back down before it's supposed to. So anyway, let's go ahead and get that thing replaced. Alright, so forgive the wobbles. I'm hand filming here because it's just really tight for the tripod in here. So the first step in working on a commode here is we're going to come down here. There's the water valve. We're going to shut the water off. And then give it a flush. We're going to hold this down because, again, our flapper is dropping sooner than it should. All right, so what we have to do is disconnect the chain here at the end of my finger. Hopefully you guys can see it. It's got a little hook. There we go. We've got that disconnected from the flush lever. All right, and then we're going to go ahead and take this flapper off, and let me show you what we're going to replace it with. All right, so what I've got here is this Corky Universal, fits all brands, all designs. It replaces everything. These things are like $8 at Lowe's, guys, and it will fix most of your flushing issues. If you have a toilet that's running continuously, or one like this that's not flushing completely, blah, blah, blah. So anyway, let's get it out of the package and get it in here. Okay, before we replace the flapper, what we're going to do, we're going to just pull up on this. It's a clip that holds the water line. Hopefully you can see that there. And we're gonna clean this up because this is pretty scummy down in there. So it's obviously never been cleaned or serviced. So we're gonna roll up some paper towels and try to get at least some of that junk out of there. Be advised, it's not fecal matter. It's just scum from years of having never been cleaned. So, and again, forgive me for hand filming here. So we're going to stuff that rolled up paper towel down there, give it a few twists, and see if we can't clean that up a little bit. Yeah, see, look at all the junk that came out of there. That's nasty. So anyway, I'm going to finish cleaning this stuff up, and then we'll go and get that flapper replaced. Okay, we got that cleaned up. It looks a whole lot better. Not required, but really and truly you should do such things. Now, this flapper that's on here, guys, just kind of clips on. So we're going to reach in here and pretty carefully just lift it up and pop it off. And there we go. It's out of there. So let's get our new one out of the package and on and make this happen. Okay, the one that was in there was a hard plastic. This one is rubber, so I'm sure you probably can't see it on camera, but there's some little ears down here that the other one clipped on. This one, we're gonna have to kind of just feed over them like so until it's in place, just like that. And then hook up the chain and we're good to go. Okay guys, you saw me put the new flapper on. I've hooked up the chain and adjusted it. You want to hook those up with as minimal chain slack as you can get. You don't want a lot of slack in the chain because it won't flush properly. Anyway, let's see what we got here. Beautiful. All right, throw the cover back on here. Wipe some of that funk that came out of the thing off of it here. And there you have it. That's how you replace the flapper on your commode. Easy peasy. And there you go, guys. That's how you replace the flapper on your commode and fix just a myriad of issues with them flushing and this and that. Don't call a plumber when you don't have to. This was an $8 fix. Easy money. Guys, hope you learned a few things. If you haven't done it yet, hit that subscribe button. Turn on all notifications as we got a lot of great content coming up for you here in the future. Throw us a thumbs up. Hit us in the comments, and in the description box below, I'll include links to our Facebook page and the email address if you want to drop us a line. Guys, till next time, this is Chris for Busted Knuckle DIY saying, keep wrenching.